Welcome to PDF Filler. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to restrict access to your PDF by protecting it with a password. If you're already a PDF Filler user, all you need to do is go to your dashboard, highlight the document by clicking on it, and then click Protect. In the new window, set a password for your document and click Apply to save the changes. If you're new to PDF Filler, begin by registering a new account. It only takes a few clicks and doesn't require downloading or installing anything on your computer. Once logged in, proceed to your document. You can either create a blank PDF from scratch, upload a PDF from your computer or phone, or import one from an online location. If needed, use the PDF Filler online editor to modify your document's content and layout or make it fillable by adding fillable fields. To add a password to your document, click the arrow next to the Done button and then click Save As. In the new window, select a format and destination for your document. Then open the Document Access tab and type in your password in the box. Once ready, click Save As to export your protected document. Click the link in the description to start converting your PDF right away. Also, check out our other video tutorials for more PDF tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.